So in this lecture, I am going to tell you what are Java classes or methods, right? Mm, so as you can see on the screen that I have created one class demo, and the int x is equals to 5, and then there is a main method, and then I have created an object of demo, that is demo a is equals to new demo, right? And I have sys out that a dot x, right? So that is new keyword is required, right? So x is in the scope of the class, right? So it can access x. So if we run this, then the output will be 5, right? So because it has access to the class scope of class, right? So this is the basic program about class method. So what are methods in Java, right? So we have just declared static. No, not here, we will write here, we will declare static, and then we will give the void return type, and then method, that is name of the method. Here we have declared a simple method, and we are just going to sys out that you are in method, in, and then method. So we will call this method. So for calling methods, there are various ways. For static method, it is quite simple, we can call it directly, right? So if you have not declared it static, you have to create an object and then call it. So we are going to call directly because it is static. So if we call this, and then we will just run this method. So there, here you are in method, it is displayed on the console, so our program is absolutely correct. So what is a method? Method is basically a block of code which only runs when it is called. If it is not called, it does not get executed. So you can pass data known as parameters into the methods that we are going to see in the coming lecture. Methods are used to perform certain actions, and they are also known as functions. So why is method? To reuse code, define the code once and use it many times. Likewise, if you want to call a single code blocks many times in your program, it is easy to create a method, and it is better to call that method regularly, so that the precision in writing the code is maintained, right? So yeah, in this example, method is a name of my method, you can give it as you please, right? So to call as this was static, it was easy to call, right? So if it is not static, you have to create an object like we did for scanner class for importing the values from users. So similarly, you can create values of the method you have created, and not declare static. So this is a example how you can access methods. So that's it for this lecture, and I'm willing to show you the eagerly waiting for the next part.